Honorable Banerjee sir, Rao madam, my colleagues, my dear and dearest and the most loving children. Wish you, it's indeed a pleasant evening. I wonder, first of all, I wonder, when did you grow so big in our absence to hold such a beautiful and such an organized function? I am really speechless, as she said. I am very excited to see so many of you in the campus. Gone were the days when you were small and when you were adolescents. I could handle you easily. Now, sorry. And now I'm nervous standing in front of you, and then I seek your permission to read my mind. I'm not going to speak because I'm nervous. Though he was announcing that I was the debater in the college. Yes, I bagged so many prizes, but today I'm really nervous. Because there are so many emotions going through my mind. I would like to read my mind so that I won't forget what I want to say to you. Please give me 2 minutes. I would like to read. Can I take? Thank you so much. I am overwhelmed and choked with emotion. My vocabulary in any language is not enough to express my mind today, but I'll make an effort. This is the 30th year for me in ICL. I completed a little more than 29 years. Almost 3 decades. But it all went in a jiffy. You know the meaning of jiffy. I still remember the day I joined, 26th February 1986. The noise and the energy is still vivid in me. Within a few days, I fell in love with the school and ICL became my home. Initially, some opportunities offering better salary came my way, but I chose to stick to ICL. I have no regrets at all. I am very proud of myself. It's not correct to say that I contributed a lot to school. In fact, I got a lot from all of you, the priceless love. You made me a complete human being. I learned with you every day and realized that learning is a lifelong process. You taught me patience, tolerance, compassion and love. You made me tough too. How wonderful my journey has been with you all. Thank you so much, children. It's not over. Please wait. Leaving school is like leaving home. But this day has to come sometime. Soon, in 15 days, I may be out of school service, but my heart will always be here. It will take a long time for me to reconcile with the fact that I am no more a part of ICL. I am going to miss ICL, children, their mischief, their energy, most importantly, their attention to me, I don't get anywhere else. To me and the love, not over. Thank you so much for everything that you have given me and everything that you have done to me over these years. You gave me a complete and fulfilling life. You made me feel important, great and proud. The mere words thank you do not really convey how much I am indebted to you. I sincerely thank the management for giving me the opportunity to serve the school, which has so many loving children. They are diamonds. I mentioned many times that our school may be a dilapidated building, but it's a diamond factory. We produce diamonds here and they're all in front of us. I'm very grateful to all my senior superiors and my colleagues to have given me unconditional support. How can I forget and thank my ex-colleagues who gave me an excellent time in staff room. We used to share everything and anything on the earth. I'm lucky to have a supportive husband and a son. Finally, I thank God for giving me so many people. Today is the most memorable day in my life. I'm honored and humbled. I'm trying my best not to get emotional and burst out. I'm known for that. I made up my mind I should not cry. So, lastly, I'm amazed, truly amazed to see your exceptional, persuasive and organization skills. When did you grow, children, in our absence? I'm very, very proud of you. Keep doing good work. Be happy and enjoy life. God bless you. Thank you so much.
ये क्या बटा बटा तेरे लिए बटा बटा
Thank you so much, Seshu ma'am. And it's not, I would like to add something on this. It's all that we have learned is from you, all that